Assalamu alaikum. I am Irsa and today is my first lecture which is about cell wall and its layers. So let's start. Basically, what is cell wall? Many cells have an extracellular component that is formed exterior to the membrane, which is called cell wall. Cell wall is present in only plant cells, prokaryotes and fungi. Prokaryotes means which do not have proper nucleus. But animal cells do not have cell wall. Why? Because of their locomotor mode of life. Plant cell walls differ in chemical compositions from those of prokaryotes. Prokaryotes cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan or murin, and fungi cell wall made up of chitin. We will discuss here only plant cell wall and its layers. The cell wall is secreted by the cell, and the plant cell consists of three main layers: primary cell wall, middle lamella and secondary cell wall. So I am going to tell you about primary cell wall. Primary cell wall is true wall and develops in newly growing cell. Here you can see in this picture, the outer one is primary cell wall and the inner one is secondary, and then there is plasma membrane. Primary cell wall, it develops during cell division. As I told you, when cell is in growing stage. Each cell produces a primary cell wall and it is present inner to the middle lamella. It is thin and slightly flexible. It is not rigid. And it is composed of cellulose microfibers. Cellulose microfibers means it bundles of cellulose chains running through the matrix of other polysaccharides. Polysaccharides like hemicelluloses and pectin. So what is pectin? Pectin is a polymer. Polymer क्या होता है? Polymer तो लंबी सी चेन होती है ना, of around 200 galacturonic acid molecules. Majority of its carboxyl groups are methylated. Methylated means methyl group is attached. It is less hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means water loving. So less hydrophilic means less water loving. मतलब unsoluble in water. This feature gives the cell great strength. Which feature? Crisscross arrangement. Crisscross arrangement means it is the layers one above the others. The primary cell wall is adapted to growth and it stretches plastically, means irreversibly. So the next wall is layer is secondary cell wall. Secondary cell wall is formed between primary cell wall and plasma membrane only in sclerenchyma cells. Here is a picture of sclerenchyma tissue. You can see, and it consists of cellulose, lignin and waxes. The plant tissues possessing secondary cell wall are generally dead and provide support and photosynthesis, respiration. These processes do not occur in sclerenchyma cells. The secondary cell wall develops only when the cell has reached its maximum size, mean when it completes its growth, because it is very much thick and rigid. Therefore, it does not allow further growth. The secondary cell wall consists of cellulose, hemicelluloses, lignin, inorganic salts and waxes. Its cellulose microfibers also shows crisscross arrangement. Crisscross arrangement is the arrangement of layers one above the others. Lignin cements and anchors, mean it holds or it makes rigid cellulose microfibers together and is mainly responsible for rigidness. Next one is middle lamella. Middle lamella is composed of pectic acids and pectin, and it is present between adjacent primary cell walls of two cells. मतलब two cells की जो cell walls होती हैं उनके center में होता है. Here you can see middle lamella. It is composed of sticky gel-like magnesium and calcium salts, mean pectic acids. What are the pectic acids? Pectic acids are polymers of around 100 galacturonic acid molecules. These are very hydrophilic. Pectin are less hydrophilic and pectic acids are very hydrophilic and form salts with calcium and magnesium and that are insoluble gels. They are the major components of middle lamella but also found in primary cell wall. The middle lamella holds neighboring cell walls together. The cell wall is porous. Basically, our cell wall is porous and not our, of course, plants ki, and allows free passage of water and dissolved material. The secondary cell wall provides definite shape and mechanical support to the cell. So this was all about cell wall and its layers. In the next video, I will tell you about plasma membrane and its composition and functions of plasma membrane. Allah Hafiz.